The Witch's Moon is a premium monthly subscription service that provides tools for spiritual and metaphysical practices, typically including 10 to 20 curated items such as handmade candles, crystal, herbs, and altar tools. Standard ritual tools are boxes frequently containing handmade beeswax candles, ritual incense, and custom created artwork for books of shadows. Apothecary items. Users often receive 2 to 3 different herbs or tea blends, and a special ritual oil. Crystals. Each box is typically included at least one crystal, which may be in a raw or polished form. Guidance and spells are in there too. A detailed scroll is provided to each item that suggests us to use them in rituals. This card is specifically for the buyer, so when we open up the box, that's the first thing we see. This card gives us specific dates and rituals. Now the next thing is a oracle card. We get one every single box. It's curated just for us. As you can see, it has vibrant colors, a beautiful intuitive message, and as you can see, it states bringing your thoughts to fruition, bring your thoughts to life. I always like to keep mine to make my own deck out of each one that I get, so eventually I'll have a deck of cards. The colors bring the readings to life with the vibrancy and the uniqueness in the deck. Now, this is our artwork. This is our theme for the box, and this is the information that we always get in the box. Now, the theme is Water Witch, and what exactly is in the box, how to use it, what it represents, so this is great. Now we have the Book of Shadows artwork. The Book of Shadows artwork, obviously you can put in your Book of Shadows, or you can journal with it. You can place these items down in a book somewhere, but I like to use these as artwork for my Book of Shadows. We will go over this further with these. I just want to show you the pictures of them and how bright and vibrant they are. Now, obviously, this all has to do with the theme of water. Every single sea creature, coloring of it, this beautiful artwork here. It's a very pretty item, so I'm hoping this is what we're getting in the box. I love the colors of this box. It's very bright and beautiful and calming and healing. So this is the point of the box. It's a theme for each box. And now we're going to go in and we're going to go and see what we got. I'm excited. It looks to be some incense blend, some either spray or oil. Let's open it up and see what it is. It's obviously the element of water. It looks to be a spray bottle. Let's get it open. Let's smell it. I want to see what it smells like. I love their oils. I love their sprays. They have such vibrant smells. It's so calming and peaceful. It's definitely a spray. So let's open it up and see what it smells like. The artwork on the bottle is very beautiful. As you can see, the eye of the ocean. That is a very unique and beautiful pattern. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to smell it. The smell is invigorating. It smells so good. It's got a smell between lemongrass and almost a smell like of a ocean. So it's a very good, unique smell, and it's got a great mixture of things in it. So I definitely recommend this box. I definitely recommend these items so far. Let's see what else we got. Nothing over here. I see we got, it looks to be some incense sticks. Let's see what kind they are. They are running an hour time and duration and burning time. Okay. It's for negative energy. It's for release. It's for washing away. Okay. It's handmade natural products. It's for healing. Cedar. bay leaf, eucalyptus, rosemary. I can't wait to smell these. I'm going to open these in a minute. I just want to show you the box and where it comes from in case you want to order some. It's got a very good smell to it. I can smell it on the outside. Let's see what this says. I don't know if you guys can see what this says, but I'm going to hold it up to the camera for you so you can see what some of the items are on this as it's created and made. They make different scents, I guess. And it's it smells very good. I can smell it right through the box. So it's definitely something that I think I would buy already. I just want to open up and smell it, just to be sure this is the one I would buy. It's got a very cool looking, you can tell this is a very homemade, very unique blend of something good. I can smell it. It's very strong. You only need one, so it definitely has a great smell. I'm just trying to get it out of the bag, and it's giving me a hard time, so I'm just going to get it out of the bag quickly. Oh my God, it smells so heavenly good. It smells so good. It's got a smell between rosemary. It's got a smell between almost like a lemongrass orange kind of thing, maybe a bergamot thing going on. Very good. It smells great. Now, when we burn it, I'll give you a different thought process. If it has a different smell when you burn it, I'll definitely tell you underneath the video. Now, let's see what else we got here. I have what looks to be a candle, and it has artwork around it that you can use. It's kind of like a scroll that you can use to write spells on, or you can empower the symbol of water and use that in spellcraft. This candle obviously represents the water element. It represents healing, the flow. So let's just see if we can get it out of the bag. And it's a pretty good sized candle. I don't want to rip the paper, so I'm trying not to take the tape off too much. So the design is really cool. It's an air symbol, not an air symbol, a water symbol. And it's definitely got a goodness to it because it's a beeswax candle. So it's definitely good. It doesn't have a smell to it. So, I mean, you could put your own oils on it, your own herbs if you wanted to burn it that way. I think it's a good idea. Use the paper, though. It's a great idea to use it in your spellcraft. Now, what do we have? Let's see. What do we have next? This looks like herbs and almost like fossils of some sort. These several herb bags. Let's take these out quickly. These look to be fossils of some sort from the ocean. We'll definitely have to read up on it and see what typical kind they are, and we'll see what we can use it for in our spellcraft. You can use these as an altar offering. You can use these in prosperity bowls. You can use it a lot of different ways. Now, this is bladder wrack. This is a form of seaweed, kelp. It holds on to the rocks, and it's kind of used in magic for like resilience and getting through something tough. You hung on to the point, now it's time to let it flow through the water. This is a really good thing to have in spell work when you want to release and let go of something. Now, what's next? What do we have here? I have ginkgo bola leaf. Now, this is good in memory spells. Water holds memory, so you have to go back to thinking and understanding about what does water hold. When you want to do a memory spell and you're having a hard time remembering something, think of ginkgo bola. This will help you. You can drink it in a tea. You can craft it in a sleeping pillow. This is Irish moss. Irish moss was revered by goddess Bridget, Saint Bridget. You can use this in poppets. You can use this on your altar. As we all know, this is a water element as well. All of these items and these herbs are water-based elements. So this will go great with whatever emotional spells that you work with. When you want to close something off and wash it away. So this is really good. I don't feel anything else in the box. I'm still looking around in case there's anything hidden. So let's see what we got here. Now this looks like to be the main item. The box is beautiful. It's got the water element symbol on it. It's a velvet box. It feels really pretty. This would be a good gift to somebody. Just the box alone would be a beautiful gift. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yep, it's the picture. So this is a wand a wand more or less created from items from the ocean. You have what looks to be beautiful driftwood art that's done on the driftwood to hold everything in place. You have a beautiful seashell. It looks like they have crystals on top. You have a little seashell on the bottom for a point. You have a pearl in the middle. That's gorgeous. That's stunning. This is a very, very beautiful, beautiful piece. I will be using this in my spellcraft when it comes to my water element, releasing, letting go, all of these good things, working with the feminine, working with the flow and ebbs of the tides, working with the feminine energy, our fluidity in our body. This is a great and beautiful, beautiful item. I recommend this box. I highly recommend this box. So it's definitely something I actually like and I would use. Now, and I do have things like this in the box that I do have. If I don't like something, I will give it away free in a giveaway. So keep your eye open on that. We will be doing some of those. Let's see what we got here all together. We've got, let's see. We've got some Book of Shadows artwork. It's a beautiful piece that you can dedicate to in your Book of Shadows. And it gives you a bunch of different affiliations. You guys can read this artwork with me, or you can read it after. I'll put it close to the screen so you're able to see it. It's got elemental natures. It's got altar tools that you can use to correspondence. It has deities that go with it, timing, direction. It's got a lot of great things here. Magical functions, the zodiac sign, which is Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. It says a lot of great things in this. This also talks about rivers and all sorts of types of water. So this is a great thing that you guys can get really educational on, learn about. I have always told people, go to what you're pulled to. If this is something that you like, doesn't mean you have to be a witch. It just means you're pulled to it for a reason. Your energy is calling to it. So definitely look this box over. See if you would want to purchase it. If they have even any left, usually their boxes sell out very quickly. So if there is any available, I would tell you to purchase when you can or when you have the money. I love their boxes. They're always curated perfectly with the season, with a theme, and you get the most greatest things in the box. I definitely would tell you to look at every single piece on this video. You will get a lot out of it. It will help you out a lot, and I think it's a great thing to have. Now the next one is the sea animals. So if you look, you have some looks like to be water nymphs, you have turtles, you have whales, you have fish, you have, what else do you have? You have the merfolk, you have the silk, I think it's called the silky. These are a form of water water beings. And then you have the seahorse, the sea serpents. You have there's just so many different spiritual beings, spiritual creatures that you can give thanks to, give honoring to. This is just a few of them. This box always gives some of the best information out to those who are just learning, who just want to learn and have no idea where to start. This box is really great for that. I always tell people, if you're interested in it, just go look up their website. They have everything from incense to oils to candles to statues to crystals to herbs to books to tarot. You name it, they have it on there. And I like to support our local shops, because if we just buy off Amazon, it really doesn't help out any of the businesses that do try. We've got the incense going on. The incense smells good. I do want to see what it smells like when it is lit. I don't want to make promises on that, because incense can smell differently. We have this beautiful sea wand. We have these 3 herbs. So you definitely get a lot in this box. You have these fossils. You have the candle. You have the spray. And the spray smells very, very, very good. You have another oracle card. So this talks about moon dates. This talks about the spring equinox, the Ostara. This is a really educational piece that you would want to keep. So it teaches you times and dates. And it also talks about the Celtic tree month of Alder begins. It's very good. The moon in Aries for this month. It talks about a lot of different great things. And it's very educational. I would suggest you guys go get it and just read it. Look at it. See how it feels to you. It's definitely a good thing to have. I love this. Now, for when we get these, I think it's always important to read them last, because the excitement is there. This is the oracle card that you're going to receive every month in your box, a different kind every single month. And these are what is in the box. It tells you everything that's in the box. It gives you the names. It gives you what it's dedicated to. It gives you the names of the tools, the candles, what it's used for, the oils, what's in them, what it's curated for. And then you get a wonderful Book of Shadows paper to add to your Book of Shadows. This is really helpful, because if people are just starting their own Book of Shadows, it's great to have a blank piece to start fresh. And I think this is a wonderful box. I think anybody that's looking for something different and new and wants to try something like this, it's definitely, to me, worth the money. The wand alone is worth the price of the box alone. The candle is pretty big. The aura spray, phenomenal smelling. You guys will love the smell. The incense, I love the smell of it, but sometimes incense does have a different smell when it burns. So I want to test that out with you guys and give you a full review on that. This box, I would definitely recommend. I think it's worth every penny. I think if you're looking for a new practice, try this out. It would be definitely worth the price. It is $58. You can do this monthly, and it's worth the money.